I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of my God and my country. I will honor my parents, my teachers, my leaders, and my elders, and those in authority. I will be clean and honest in all my thoughts, my words, and my deeds. I will strive in everything I do to work together with my fellow men of every creed and race for the greater happiness of all and the honor and glory of my country.
मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं यत्पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णं तरस्तु मे मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरि यान्तु देवागणाः सर्वे पूजामादाय मामकीम् इष्टकामार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं पुनरागमनाय च.
Pandit Atma Maharaj is a past student of Naparima College from 1975 to 1981. Along with Mr. Jaman Maharaj at the time, they formed the Indian Cultural Club. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to invite Pandit Atma Maharaj to the podium.
Jai Shri Ram. Shubh Diwali. And once more, we bring greetings on behalf of my alma mater, which is Naparima College. Always remember that each of us have that potential, that strength, that ability to be like the diya that expends its energy. It burns itself out, but at the same time gives a little flickering flame, a light that makes the world a brighter place. All of us are privy to the fact that the pandemic has crisscrossed the globe, and everywhere there is so much mental, emotional, and sometimes spiritual darkness. It is indeed very refreshing, very inspirational, and more so moving to see these youngsters bringing forth the light of hope, the light of love, and reminding us of the diya that expends all of its energy, but at the end of it all makes the world a brighter place. Let us also seize the opportunity to recognize that we are those lights. Unlike maybe an ice cream that we want to enjoy it before it melts, the diya says a quite different message. It says, let us sustain the light, let us continue to grow spiritually, and let us achieve our goals and aspirations. Today, to be here, to be part of this wonderful exercise of devotion, and to wish everyone Shubh Diwali, I am indeed very pleased and happy. So from a distance, I would like to bring these greetings and say to everyone, may Mahalakshmi's blessings be with you all. Shubh Diwali. Jai Shri Ram.
Up next, we'll have a song rendered to you by our very own Vinesh Ramnaran. He's the third member of the G3 band along with his cousins Arvind and Amish Ramnaran. He will be singing a song entitled Tere Sharan Aaye, which means, I've come to your feet, O Mata.
Tere sharan aaye, Tere देखो है अम्बे माता, देखो है अम्बे माता, तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, चारों दिशा से भक्ति आशा से भक्तों के बीच आए, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता। जो कहे माँ वो सब सुनेंगे, दिन रात तेरी पूजा करेंगे, सुख हो या दुख हो हम सब सहेंगे, हर हाल तेरी भक्ति करेंगे, भक्तों की पीरा, भक्तों की पीरा करने वाली माँ, कोटि कोटि है प्रणाम, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता। तीनों लोकों की तू रानी है माँ, अंतर्यामी है तू ज्ञानी है माँ, सुख दे के दुख का हरण करो माँ, सब जन की अर्चन ग्रहण करो माँ, दुनिया की रक्षा, दुनिया की रक्षा करने वाली माँ, रोशन रहे तेरा नाम, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, चारों दिशा से भक्ति आशा से भक्तों के बीच आए, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, ओ माता तेरी शरण आए, देखो है अम्बे माता, देखो है अम्बे माता, देखो है अम्बे माता।
Namaste, Sitaram, and good day to all on this very special occasion of Diwali 2020. As a people in the midst of indeed very dark times, a glimmer of hope is the significance of the diya which is lit during Diwali. This diya represents the triumph of goodness, of light, and of love. And we must all maintain that in our hearts and understand we need to forge this sort of a feeling of togetherness, especially in this time.
From the hardworking Indian Cultural Club's Exec Committee, we urge you to stay safe, stay strong, and Shubh Diwali.